Welcome to Kesler Shares. And today we are going to learn about how to make ninja stars. Ninja star is very fun and you can play with your friends. These are my two origami paper. I chose blue and purple. First, flip to the non-colored side of both papers and then put the other one aside. First, fold the paper into half. You will see a rectangle. And then fold the paper in half again. You will see a long strip. Next, do the same for the other origami paper. Bring the other strip of paper here, and then fold the two papers in half. Next, open them up and then first take the first origami paper. On the left side, fold up. On the right side, fold down. For the other one, it's pretty much the same, but then the left side have to fold down. The right side have to fold up. Next, flip the two over. And then fold the corners. Next, fold the two into the middle and out. Okay, now is the more challenging part. Take the first origami paper, turn it around, and then put it on top of the second origami paper. And then next, fold the purple one inside the blue one, turn over, rotate, and then do the same thing for each four sides. The last part is more challenging. And there we go. You have your own ninja star. These are all the ninja stars I made. Now, we are going to welcome a new friend. Marshall, come out.
Hello, Kesler.
Hello, Marshall.
Wow, Kesler, you made so many ninja stars.
Okay, Marshall is a Paw Patrol pup.
Yes, I'm a Paw Patrol pup. I'm Marshall. I'm so happy.
Do you want to play with me, Ninja Star?
Yes, I like to play.
Let's play.
Wow, shoo, 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 shoo. Wow, so fun. High five.
Claps. I hope you like my sharing. If you like my video, click like and subscribe. See you next time.